I think just in the process of looking for houses ourselves, we've been quite impressed with the service we'd had when we've been viewing properties, and we actually made a decision to move from another agent to yourselves, and I think it worked out really well. It was just a lot more polished. I think the viewing event worked really well as a real boost to begin it with. I think it probably generates a little bit of competition and interest amongst people, thinking, if somebody else wants it, I want it even more, kind of thing. So I think that was a really good tactic to use. I can't really fault them in a way. It was almost like, whoa, they're ringing me again, but I'd take that as a positive. I think particularly with the after sale support we received from Ashley was absolutely brilliant. I think people often overlook when you're buying a house that it's not just a case of agreeing a sale and that's it. There's a lot more work to be done, and it's something I didn't really appreciate myself before I had this experience here, and I think that was one of the key reasons which pushed it over the line in the end. And I think they were just quite honest and quite personable, and particularly with Ashley, very tenacious, and didn't ever sort of give up.